All patrols be advised. Possible robbery at the casino district. Sending units to investigate.
Miller.
You're doing this now?
Jess, it's Tyler. You got a minute?
Tyler? Hey, stay on the tarp. If you bleed on the seat, I swear to God. Hey, Ty, really not a great time. Sorry.
Jess, wait. I got a plan.
6 months later, and the first time I hear from you, you need something from me?
Jess,
Tyler, seriously, I'm a bit busy right now.
Confirmed robbery in casino district. Vehicle is a black Audi. One subject with possible GSW. Last seen heading north on Coolidge Street.
Adam 35, confirm control, on the lookout.
God damn it, Tyler. I told you this isn't a good time.
Yeah, what the hell, Tyler?
let me talk to her. Hey, Jess.
Mac? Ty must be really desperate if he's pulling you in.
Nah, you know me. Just in it for the giggles.
Is this where you pitch me Tyler's plan?
No way. Wouldn't do it if I were you. He wants to take on Nina.
Lena? She's with the house now. Jesus Christ, you two. No way. I'm out.
How far?
Cut the waterworks. We're almost there.
Damn, here already? You really are an escape artist.
It's what you paid me for. Tell the guy Jess sent you. He'll patch you up.
Repeat. Suspects last seen in black Audi. Radio in with location.
Adam 35, we have a possible match on North Carson Street.
Copy that. Sending additional units.
Put Mac on.
Look, Jess, this plan is foolproof. All we need is your...
Ty, Lena and the house. Put Mac on.
Can't help yourself, can you? You're interested.
The plan. How insane is it?
Oh, man, it's mad. Cop chases, stunts, crazy heists, nothing up your alley.
Lena alone screwed us 6 months ago. Now you want to take her on with the house? Look what happened to Rav.
Oh, it'll be different this time. With the three of us, we could do it.
The old crew back together, huh?
Come back, Jess. Let's do this.
Tell him I'll think about it.
Suspect car last seen heading northbound to Liberty Desert.
1 Adam 13 en route. Adam 13 to control, I located the black Audi. Show me in pursuit, requesting backup.
Copy that. Sending additional units your way.
I built this ride just for you boys. Let's dance.
35, we just hit them hard.
Now heading southbound on I-34 Amber Valley Parkway. Copy. Control, they've stopped. Vehicle now southbound on Silver Rock Beltway. All right, copy. Now heading eastbound on I-620 Providence Parkway. Copy that. Units be advised. Visual on subject has been lost.
Jess,
Hey,
So, about this stupid plan of yours.
it's not... Yeah?
Let's meet. Where are you?
This is the dumbest plan I ever heard. I left the game because of crap like this.
The best crew in town always gets a racer in the rush. So all we have to do is beat all the Silver Rock street leagues and I'm in. Mac will handle the off-road and drift. I'll do the rest.
What about the house? They control every dirty deal in town.
Well, that's where you come in. They'll have a bulletproof setup. Talk to your underworld contacts, figure out what it is, then we take it out.
So, win the race, watch the house burn while we count our piles of cash.
Simple.
Fame, fortune. Leah Navarro getting what she deserves. You idiots are gonna get yourselves killed without me. Guess I'm in.
Yes!
Raph? You know we can't pull this off without our master engineer.
You're so full of it. If you're that desperate, I'm in as well, and you can use my garage, but there are a few conditions. First...
Woo! The crew's back together, baby!
Serenity, no. Either of you fools even have a car?
Oh, I
staked
sort
it
of
on
lost
spec.
mine. It's
It was a
a
sure
long
thing.
story.
Seriously? There are cars in the back. Clients who never paid. I'm surrounded by... good old 87 Buick GNX. Now there's a badass. The Mark I Golf GTI, the car that launched... the S2000 Honda... Good choice. Nothing compared to my rides, but it'll do.
I thought all you did was tune them up.
All right, you just earned yourself an ass-kicking. How'd you like that 0 to 60?
Not bad. Let's see if it's enough to keep you in the lead.
Come on, Tyler, race me. This ain't valet parking. 6 months, Tyler. What were you doing out there?
That was the deal. Work for the gambler or go to jail.
What's changed now?
He had plans for me, but I convinced him mine were better. So here we are.
Tyler, you know I'm done with that life. We had a good run, but I'm a mechanic. I've got a good thing going out here.
She double-crossed us, Raph, and now she's twisting the old streets, too. You don't want to see her stopped?
Man, I'd still give anything to see what's under the hood of that Koenigsegg. But I'm done being angry. I found my peace.
Well, I'm happy for you, I guess. You're not holding back, are you? Please don't hold back.
Oh, I won't. You realize this won't end with Navarro, right? You know who she works for, what she represents.
I know where she's from. Same streets as me. She may have started this, but I'm gonna finish it.
No one has ever gone up against the house and won, you know that.
First time for everything. Guess it's back to the garage with you. Skill always wins over raw power. Hey, Mac, where'd you two disappear to?
Rav didn't have what I needed. We're off to the dealership to find me some off-road wheels.
Word.
Oh, yeah.
You good for this? I can lend you some money.
Nah, sis, I'm good. I pulled out my savings.
Which one are you going for, Mac?
The Land Rover, the WRX STI, my hot hatch of choice for a bounce around.
Looks like I can walk faster than that thing.
Ouch. It's okay, baby. She didn't mean it. Now, I have to kick your ass. Race to the airfield? You take the streets, I'll take off-road. See you slow then.
Why are you really doing this, Mac?
What do you mean? You get a mega payoff and get to kick Navarro's ass. What's not to like?
I know you, Mac. It's not that simple. I've been a personal crusade, but that's not you.
Straight talk, Jess. After we split, I had nothing. Doing odd jobs for cash. And sometimes, that meant the house.
We took a gamble and lost. You did what you had to do.
Coming to America's been one big wager. Besides, it's not gambling if you know you're gonna win. You got your own thing, Jess. You don't need us. Why are you in?
Someone's got to watch out for Ty. Taking on the street leads to get into an impossible race? He's angry and fixated on Navarro, and he's going to need us.
So you think we got a chance?
After it all went down, we didn't hear from him for 6 months. If he's back, he believes he can win. And I'm not letting a brother go to war alone.
Ha! I knew it. You missed us.
Look, Mac, I'll support you guys as long as you're not idiots. I'm in it for you two, not the thrills.
I know you, Jess. You won't be able to help yourself. Ah, yeah.
I'll admit, I didn't think you could pull it off.
Ha! You don't win anything by playing safe.
Point taken, but I'll stick to the roads, thank you very much.
Hey, Rav, what's up?
Nice ride you got there, Mac. Why don't you bring her around to the garage?
Be right there.
I've cleared up this space for you three. Feel free to leave your cars here, tune them up, paint them, work on your style. Why don't you try a bit of upgrading first? See if you can get some extra performance out of those cars. I have a few parts lying around the shop. Just put everything back where you found it. Understood?
What do you got, Rav?
I know of 2 leagues worth your time out here in the desert. This one is a racing league called the Graveyard Shift, led by La Katrina. Bunch of kids with a death wish and a taste for the dramatic. Mac, second league's for you. League 73, an off-road crew led by some bastard named Udo. Lately, they've taken to racing around the airfield and smashing up my prototypes.
Okay, Mac. First we take on some league races, then we challenge the bosses one-on-one.
Should start earning us the rep we need to enter the Outlaws Rush. Time to check out League 73 and challenge them to a race. Yeah, baby!
Miles outside the city, it's just sky as far as the eye can see. League 73. Freedom happens at 100 miles an hour and 10 feet in the air. What do we have here? Fresh meat.
You're Udo Roth? Name's Mac.
I know who you are. You're Hash Tiger's drifting buddy. You here to take a tiger selfie, Mac?
Screw that. I'm an off-road racer, same as you. No, better.
Prove it. Beat my racers, then we talk.
How about we make a little extra money on the side? I'll tell you the bet I have in mind, and if you like the odds, we'll lock it in. Win, and I'll...
Fresh meat is on the lunch menu, boys and girls.
Ooh, careful now. I bite back. Showtime! I gotta say, first is feeling great.
Damn it, Mac! I have enough trouble keeping these kids off the airfield as it is. Don't encourage them.
I gotta do this right, I'm sorry.
You're not goddamn sorry.
No, you're right. I'm not.
Whatever, just kick their ass for me, all right?
Almost there.
Huh, not terrible. Tolerable job, Fresh Meat. We might make an off-road racer out of you after all.
That's where you're wrong, bruv. I was born for this.
Say, I recognize you. You're with Crazy Rad's crew.
The only crazy thing about him is what he can do with an engine.
Did he feed you that line? Come by the solar array sometime. Prove to me that win wasn't a fluke.
Fly down the highway at 100 miles an hour. Every decision is life and death. I am La Katrina, and this is the graveyard shift. You the gringo who wants to join our midnight run?
Join, beat, same difference. Name's Tyler Morgan.
Morgan, huh? Never heard of you. Try to keep up with us.
I'll do way more than that.
Órale! Time to dance with death.
Time to win this!
right. Morgan. I have heard of you. You got taken out a few months back.
That was then.
And what is now, Wade?
Beat your racers for one. Then beat you.
Lo siento, Wade. You have no chance.
We'll see about that. Nighttime. This is when the streets come to life.
Think you can beat my crew, Güero?
Wasn't too hard the last time.
Órale!
Let's do this. There we go.
They told me you had gone soft, Morgan. With fire. It's a pleasant surprise. Think you can keep it up?
Ask Lena Navarro.
Not many people can get under her skin like you did. What did you do, mijo?
She thinks she can rig races in Fortune Valley. I unrigged one for her.
Morgan here thinks he's back in the game, y'all. How about we give that new confidence a proper burial?
You're welcome to try. Back in. Hold the lead, Ty. Stay focused. This.
Morgan here thinks he's back in the game, y'all. How about we give that new confidence a proper burial?
You're welcome to try.
Don't. All right. Keep it together. Now or never. In the nick of time. Yeah! Still got it.
So, you win again.
When do I race you?
Beat my crew in the next race, then we talk.